your mark. Get set. Go.
Oh, time to slow down.
Well, you have to read. You have to pick up things on the line ahead. But just watch out for some dirt, or some dirty branches, or a red balloon. They might just slow you down.
You won. Next race. Your last race is against Duck. Good luck. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Uh-oh. Duck is catched up. Ha! Oh. Well, watch what happens when you press here.
Whoa.
You won. U.S. gold medal. Next race. Well done.
I just always liked racing. Let's do it again.
Hi, I am the Topham Hat. Your first race.
This is the first one. It's when we'll have to race against Toby.
Okay.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
I love ya.
Love you too.
Actually, let's not do that. Let's do a race with Dreams. No, Duck.
It's Thomas the Tank and his 10 friends. Start. Destination. Hi, I am Duck. Exit.
This guy.
Name your engineer. Exit. Next skill level. Easy. Next race. Hi, I am
Alright.
Topham Hat. Your first race is against Toby. Good luck. On your mark. Get set. Go.
See that green spot right there? That's the thing of the character that you're showing. Right. Just point the camera at Duck while he travels along. Yeah. Whoop! Duck, slow down! And the far, and Toby, and just, there he goes, around the corner. That's one right there, that's the finish line.
Cool.
Now, peek right there.
Hmm?
You were supposed to peek right there.
You missed it. 2 points.
Your second race is against
Percy.
Good luck.
But this time we're swapping directions.
Go.
It looks like I'm way ahead of Percy.
Yep.
Look at Duck go.
It's going pretty fast.
It's because of the green balloon. Here, let me have it. Now I'm pointing the camera at Duck. tunnel is the finish line, right?
You won. Next race. Your third race is against James. Good luck.
James.
And your mark. Get set. Go.
It's pretty interesting to drive a green Western engine like Duck. Uh-oh, Duck slowed down. And there's James. Ha! We caught up. Go, 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 Duck! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Watch out! Thomas! Okay. That should just make James slow down. Alright, Duck, and now you won. Oh.
You won. You win a silver.
Hey, that's weird. James doesn't have his number 5. Here, take the camera, please.
Great. Congratulations. Your fourth race is against
Hey.
James. Good luck.
We're still racing against James, but we're gonna race him on a different spot of the island, right?
And your mark. Get set. Go.
Like this area. And the last race, we'll race against Thomas, right?
Right.
He's the last engine, I think. Look at that. Now, did you peek right there?
Next race.
Hey,
Your
look.
last race is against Thomas. Good luck.
Thomas. That's the last engine we need to beat.
Okay.
Go.
Uh-oh. Thomas got ahead.
Uh-oh.
All right. I hope Duck will soon win. And then we can race all these engines. But my favorite little tank engine is Thomas. Right?
Right.
He's a very nice engine.
Sure.
Yep. But look at Duck. Duck's logo. He's from the Western Railroad. But watch out, bump into an engine, and they'll have to scoot. Just watch closely. See that? When you bump into them, they'll say, whoops, and back out of the way.
That was caused by sharp.
But it's a good thing Thomas didn't catch up, right?
Right.
You won.
Gold medal.
Gold medal.
Look at Thomas. Look at him. Actually, they did a great job on him.
Race. Well done.
Now, let's go for Thomas the cheeky little tank engine.
Almost all.
Actually, there's 6 engines, except 2 have Thomas in it.
Start. Next engine.
See, 2 pictures of Thomas. Let's do Thomas with his black conductor suit.
Exit. Skill level. Easy.
game.
Game. Hi, I am Sir Topham Hatt. Please find the following car and take it to any station. 1 car carrying green objects. See you soon.
Thomas better be quick. Right?
Yeah.
I think this is it. Let's take it to the station. Wait, I was in the wrong way. Alright. Yep, I got it in. Just right.
Hi, I am Henry. Congratulations, you did a wonderful job. You worked fast today. Sir Topham Hatt wants to see you.
Look, Henry. There's Henry, Gordon, Thomas, Edward, and James.
You are a very splendid engineer. You did that very quickly. You have a great memory.
I do.
Next game. Please find the following car and take it to any station. 1 car carrying red objects. See you soon.
Where's the car carrying red object? That's not the red. It's an orange. Where's red? There's red! I saw another red. I could try to switch him onto the... I'll try to collect the other. Oh wait, Sir Thomas has said just only 1, not 2.
Yep.
That's it! We completed the job.
Hi, I am
James.
Congratulations, you did a wonderful job. You worked fast today. Sir Topham Hatt wants to see you.
There's James next to Edward.
You are a
And
very
there's...
splendid engineer.
And there we go.
You did that very quickly. You have a great memory. Next game. Please find the following cars.
Oh,
and
passenger
take them
car.
to any station together. 1 passenger car. 1 gravel car. Be quick now.
I better be quick. Or else I'll be late. Late. Oh, there's a gravel car. But let me back up for just one little sec. Backing up. Okay. Now it's time to back up. Or maybe I should have gone forward, but oh well. Wait. Time to take them all to the station.
1 more car to go.
Whoa, that job was pretty easy.
Hi, I am
Gordon.
Congratulations, you did a wonderful job. You worked fast today. Sir Topham Hatt wants to see you.
What?
You need to take a break soon.
People.
You're a very splendid engineer. You did that very quickly. You have a great memory.
Every line.
Next game.
8, 9.
Please find the following cars and take them to
Log
any
car?
station together.
Flat.
1 log car. 1 flat car. Be quick now.
Now let me see the other car, the flat car. No, that's not a flat car. Which one could be the flat car? That's it. Now, okay.
1 more car to go.
Well done. We done great.
Hi, I am Henry. Congratulations, you did a wonderful job. You worked fast today. Sir Topham Hatt wants to see you.
So I need to
You
take
are
a
a
break.
very splendid engineer. You did that very
Of course
quickly.
I cut.
You have a great memory. Quit. Come back and play again soon.
Okay, I'm gonna cut.